Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you the items I received in my Ipsy Plus bag for the month of April. This month's theme is Force of Nature. Whether you love your naked face or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. The bag this month definitely gives off nature vibes with the plant, the leaves, the greenery, but I especially love that they included the red lips to make it Ipsy and glam. I think it's so cute. This month again, I opted out of getting my Ipsy Glam bag just because getting 5 full-size items every month really starts to add up, and I just look forward to the Glam Bag Plus so much more. Plus that ability to customize just can't be beat for me. So this month I'm only sharing with you again my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I just received my bag this evening, so this is my first time looking at and playing with the products myself. So all that being said, let's get into exploring the products. My first item, this is an item that Ipsy chose for me. This is the KVOS NYC Highlighter Luminous Highlighter Palette. It retails for a total of $36. It says this trio of silky powder highlighters. There's a shimmery ivory, pearly pink, and warm gold shade blend into the skin like butter to give you the ultimate glow up. Regarding the KVOS NYC brand, they are vegan, cruelty-free, and made with all natural ingredients. They are a healthy beauty lover's dream. All KVOS NYC products are completely free of GMOs, toxins, fillers, and synthetic chemicals. I will admit I would not have chosen a highlighter palette for myself. I find that in highlighter palettes there's usually only 1, maybe 2 shades that I end up using, and the others are just not appropriate for my skin tone. So in swatching, I will say that they are quite buttery to the touch. I pick up a lot of pigment on my finger. However, when I swipe it on my arm here, they seem to take a little bit of building up. But that's not to say that they aren't beautiful. There is a time and a place for a subtle highlight. And in the very least, I can see myself using these on my eyes actually more than my face. Days that I'm not really wearing a lot of makeup, I like to wear a shimmer all over my eyelid, maybe a little bit in my inner corner, or maybe even along my collarbone and shoulders. With summer coming up, I think that would be really pretty. I think I'm gonna have some fun experimenting. Next, I have a set of brushes. This is the last item that Ipsy chose for my glam bag this month. So this is the Voogish No. 7 collection. It's a French brand. This brush set, which contains 5 brushes, retails for a total of $30. Consider this set the essential tools in your makeup bag. It includes an illuminator brush for highlighting and contouring, a crease brush for shading, a concealer brush for spot treating, a double-ended brow brush for grooming, and a tapered blending brush for your eyes and face. Each brush is made with a lightweight bamboo handle and 100% synthetic bristles.
I love getting brushes.
It's one of my favorite things about Ipsy, and because of Ipsy, I think that I have a very nice brush collection. That alone just makes Ipsy so worth it to me, because makeup brushes
are so expensive.
I have never used the Voogish brand, but these are they're very pretty. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but the metal handles here have a little bit of like a hollowness to them, like a holographic, like they are like a pewter color, but then in the light they kind of shift like a pink and they're a yellow and a little bit of a green. And then the bamboo is very sleek. These brushes feel very soft. The only thing that I'll say upon first impressions, of course, I'm not gonna know how they really perform until I go ahead and use them, but they're very lightweight, and I prefer something with just a little bit more weight in the handle, and the handles feel like there's a little bit of a slip. Again, I would like something that feels a little bit more grippy, but like I said, I'm not going to judge these beforehand. I'm very grateful to get brush sets always, and look forward to using these. My next product, this is the very first product that I was able to choose for myself. This is the RMS Beauty Living Luminizer. It retails for $38. This creamy highlighter combines the best of both worlds: quality performance and good-for-you formula loaded with organic coconut oil and vitamin E. Tap it on the high points of your face to create a soft, dewy glow. It says to use your fingers to apply it anywhere you want a subtle sheen. Regarding the RMS brand, founder and makeup artist Rosemarie Swift has mastered the art of high-performing makeup so you can fearlessly master your own flawless looks. The brand is also cruelty-free. So RMS Beauty is a brand that's been on my wish list to try since like forever. but their products are
so expensive.
And if you happen to watch my review on the brand Undone Beauty, I talked about how brands like this, like that are sort of focused on more clean beauty, more minimalist makeup, don't really appeal to me. I'm just not really their target audience. I prefer to go a little more glam with my eye looks, and I prefer a bold, sparkly highlighter. You know, the Undone makeup look is not really something I've ever been able to master. So while I've been very interested in trying Armas Beauty, I've heard great things about their products. Their price point is just a bit steep for me, and given that I'm not really drawn to this aesthetic, this style of makeup, I've just never felt the pull to go through with trying any of their brand products.
However,
when I saw that this was an option to get in my Ipsy bag, I
snatched it up,
and I'm so excited to finally be able to try, especially this product. This was the main product that I was most interested in trying, and this sort of highlight, like this glossy type highlight, I've been so into lately. The Dominique Cosmetics Skin Gloss, and I've got a couple other face glosses that I've really just been enjoying using. Just that really pretty, dewy, glossy glow has just been something I've actually been drawn to lately, so I really look forward to using this. Lately, I've also enjoyed using a product like this, like a skin gloss, and then putting it on the tops of my cheekbones or in the inner corner of my eyes, and then going in with a very subtle highlight, dusting it on top, and then going in with my Jane Iredale flocking sponge to kind of buff it out to make it look that it's part of my skin. I just find that using this kind of acts as a primer and really locks in that highlight and makes it last all day long. I'm so excited for this. The next item I have is the Akar Skin Pure Lip Restoration. It retails for $30. It says, this creamy yet lightweight balm uses plant oils and beeswax to seal moisture into your lips for long-lasting hydration and nourishment. Use it throughout the day or as an overnight treatment for lips that feel soft and supple. It can be worn alone or under your favorite lip color. Regarding the Akar Skin brand, they are committed to delivering the purest, nutrient-dense products created with only one thing in mind, your wellness. The brand uses all natural ingredients and is cruelty-free. I don't particularly like getting lip products, especially right now because I'm still not wearing lip products. I haven't gone out in public with exposed lips in, well over a year now. But being that this is a lip treatment, something that I can keep on my bedside table. If you have watched my previous Ipsy unboxings, if you remember the Complex Culture lip balm with the really cool magnetic packaging.
I mean, did you see this? This is magnetic. It's like a fancy ass lipstick, but it's a lip balm. I don't like lipstick, so I don't get to experience the luxe packaging that some lipsticks come in, but now I feel like I get to. I'm excited.
I keep that on my bedside table and I apply that every night, and it's the packaging alone is so luxe, and then the actual formula of the balm is delicious and smooth. I enjoy it. It's part of my bedtime routine. I pull that out, I put on my cuticle oil, and then I put on my lip balm, and it just is like my before bed treat. But being that this is a lip treatment, perhaps this will be added to my bedtime routine. My very first impression upon feeling it, I'm getting Carmex vibes, like the Carmex in like the little tub like this. Like it just kind of feels like that. It feels very emollient. There is no taste, which is great. It's not what I expected actually from the lip treatment. I expected something a little bit thicker. This feels very thin, very lightweight on the lips, but it is nice.
Oh my goodness.
After wearing it for a couple moments, it feels like my lips feel, this is gonna be a weird description. It feels like my lips are warm. Like it truly feels like I just put something on them that is very nourishing and really coated them with really good for you nourishing ingredients. I like it. I really like the packaging. I like the contrast of the red and the yellow. This red glass jar is super luxe, super pretty.
Oof, I'm so excited for this. This is nice.
The last item I received in my bag is the One Size Point Made 24-Hour Gel Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Busty Brown. This retails for $19. This waterproof ultra pigmented pencil glides on like butter before setting in place for 24 hours. No budging, bleeding, or fading. The unique gel texture allows you to blend and smoke out your eye look before it dries and sets. Regarding the One Size brand, it is from makeup artist and YouTube personality Patrick Starr. One Size was created to celebrate inclusivity and self-expression through beauty. I have not tried anything from One Size Beauty, so I look forward to trying this out. I especially love using brown eyeliners. I find that they're a little bit more subtle, a little bit more delicate, as opposed to a bold black eyeliner. And conveniently, I believe I just ran out of my go-to brown eyeliner, so this came just in time actually. So let's give it a swatch here.
Ooh.
I'm barely applying any pressure and it really does glide on nicely. That's
nice.
Draw another line and quickly try to blend it out with my finger here. It does seem to blend out very nicely. Yeah, I mean, again, I can't give an impression based off of a swatch, but in feeling this, that smooth pencil glide was very nice. I liked that I was able to blend it out, and I guess we'll see as far as longevity goes. I don't know that I would ever need to wear my eyeliner for 24 hours, but I can appreciate that because I do have very watery eyes, so I look forward to using this. Very, very excited.